Ladakh is a good example of a cold desert. It lies to the northeast of Jammu and Kashmir and is a part of the Tibetan Plateau. The prominent mountain ranges here include the Leh, Ladakh and Karakoram. Physical conditions. The temperature here goes to sub-zero range, that means below freezing point. Hence, snow and ice are found throughout the year that covers the mountains present in the region. These snow-covered peaks give rise to many rivers. Ladakh is a snow-covered plain surrounded by mountain ranges, and people living here have to manage their lives in extremely cold conditions. Vegetation. Trees like apricot, apple, walnut, eucalyptus and veda are found here. The wood of some of these trees are used as domestic fuel. Other vegetation includes bushy shrubs. Animals. Ladakh has abundant animal resources. Sheep, goat, yak, horses, joe and jomo are found here. Sheep and goats provide wool and milk, while the hair of yak is used to make warm clothes. Other animals are used for carrying loads over long distances. People migrate to high altitudes during summer season with their animals and return to the plain land during winters. The movement of people with their animals is termed as seasonal migration. This helps keep the animals safe and ensures that most calves born survive the harsh winters. Some groups of people who do similar seasonal migrations are Bhutias in Kumaon and Garhwal, Bakarwals in Kashmir, Gujjars in Himachal Pradesh, Monpas in Arunachal Pradesh and Gangpas in southeast areas. Means of livelihood. Means of livelihood is limited to some agriculture, sale of animals and excess grains in the Kargil area, and little handicrafts. Economic works. This is strictly limited to some greenhouse farming, winter sports during few months and tourist travels to monasteries and places of Buddhist worship. People exchange things instead of currency. Industry. Due to big rivers like Shyok, Sindhu, Wakchu, Dras and Jaskar, irrigation projects and electricity generation industry have thrived here. Salt production is another economic activity. Wool and caps made of sheep here are also sold. In small proportions, the industries of Kambal, Loi and bedsheets are also active. Transport. Transport is done by traveling on yak, mountain and snow vehicles and on foot. Many passes like the Karakoram Pass enable trade on both sides of the mountain range. For example, Kashmir and Karakoram. Population. People live in small communities in brick and sand houses known as khangpa. Grass for animal feed is stored on the roofs of these houses. Everyone wears warm clothes throughout the year and consumes a drink called chang. These people are believed to be of Indian Israel and Indian Mongol